friend of Pakistan, Ambassador Jang, and Ambassador Khalil Hashmi, and wonderful friends from China, and great Pakistani entrepreneurs, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon. It's really a great pleasure to be here to attend this great B2B conference between Pakistani and Chinese business leaders in the field of pharmaceutical industry. We have just witnessed ceremony of agreements between Pakistani and Chinese entrepreneurs valuing almost $440 million. I'd like to comment great efforts of Minister Mustafa Kamal, Harun Akhtar, Ambassador Khalil Hashmi, and our great friend, Ambassador of China, Ms. Jiang, and of course, all relevant government entities, government officials, and above all, great Pakistani business leaders who have taken great efforts. Rest assured that these agreements will most definitely convert into actions and implementable documents. And I think this is again a step forward in promoting CPAC 2.0. My visit to China recently was a wonderful visit. China is one of the most trusted friends of Pakistan, one of the most dependable friend of Pakistan. China has stood by Pakistan through thick and thin, through most difficult times, promoting Pakistan's economic trajectory, supporting Pakistan's stand at international forum, and joining hands together in CPAC 1, where more than $30 billion were invested by China.